Hi guys, it's Emmanuel here and this is Easy to Learn. On this channel, Easy to Learn, I do show people how to actually make money online as a blogger. So if you're a blogger out there and you've probably been wondering how are the ways I'm supposed to make money online as a blogger, you have been posting and posting and posting different content and you keep receiving disapproval messages that you just don't know how to fix it. This channel is for you. So I recommend you smash the subscribe button, and if you're liking this content, you leave a like on this video, and if you have questions based on my videos, you can leave them on the comment section below, as I'll be there to attend to it later on after the videos. So guys, without no further ado, I'll be going into today's video where I'll be actually talking about how to index your blog in Google. Without no further ado, let's dive into what we have today.
Hi guys, we're live and today we're going to be discussing how to actually, or rather showing you how to actually index your blog on Google search engine. So without no further ado, I want to dive into this video, but I do advise you guys that have not watched the video on how to create a blog to watch my previous video on how to create a blog. So you guys better watch the video in order to understand what you're actually doing right here. So guys, without no further ado, let's just dive into what we have today. And I believe this was where we left off the last time. This was the blog we created, demo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So today we are actually going to be indexing this blog on Google search engine. So let's start the process. The first thing is we're going to be entering the settings tab right on our Blogger dashboard. Yeah, on the settings now, we can now scroll down to where we have the colors and indexing. Right here. So now we're going to click on Google Search Console. It's right here, Google Search Console. But before that, I would like you to copy this particular set of code right here. Copy this code from your beginning from HTTPS right here to this XML. Copy it from here to here, that is from HTTPS to XML. Then you stop right there, or no, from HTTPS rather to 500, from here to 500. When you copy this code, this will serve as your sitemap. So you're just going to head over to Google Search Console. Right. So this is showing that we have already indexed this. This was what I did before this video. I just tried it out and it worked out. So I'm going to do it for the purpose of this video again. So I'm going to come over here to index this video, this particular blog on Google search engine. So I'll come to Sitemap. You can see I pasted that. This is a different link, but I'm going to try out this one. So just paste that code with copy that link, copy it, and we'll submit it right. Okay, and see that the link actually works. So you should copy it from HTTPS to the 500. That is how you actually do it. So after doing this, the next thing I recommend you doing is coming over to this inspect any URL. You come here and you're going to put that particular domain for your blog. You put that particular domain for your blog and you hit enter. Now for your own dashboard, it will be showing you URL is not yet on Google. so you will have to request indexing. For my own purpose, I have already done it and it's on Google. For us to show that this is actually true, you can search this on Google and we'll see. So I'm just going to paste this over here. I'm going to come to full search. So let's see if it's already on Google. So right, you can see that it is on Google and it's live on Google. So guys, I think that will be all for today. So the next time I'll be showing you how to actually get a very good template. You can see for now our template is just boring, very dry. So but for the next video I'll be showing you how to get a very good responsive template that you're going to be using as a blogger. Templates like this one I use for my main blog on 𝐊𝐄𝐘𝐿24. I have a template, very good template. You can see it's very responsive. Let me show you right here. You can see this is a very good template. I use it. I got AdSense approval for this template. You can see my advert shown here. Very beautiful. So guys, in the next video I'll be showing you how to get a very good template. Not just that, but also I'll also be doing giveaways as well. So guys, if you know you want to enjoy this great benefit, I recommend you smashing that subscribe button. And also, if you liked what you saw today, please leave a like on my videos. They are very important to me, and without you guys I wouldn't actually be here. So guys, please make me proud here. And also, if you have questions based on this video and maybe there is something you didn't understand, you can leave these questions on the comment section below. Until next time, you have a nice day and keep your eyes open.